Welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you can download Linux Mint. To do that, go to your browser and type download Linux Mint. You will choose in linuxmint.com, you will choose download Linux Mint version. And here we will go and click on the Linux or on the download option. And here they are saying that recommended Linux Mint 21.1, so we'll just click all versions. And here, guys, you will have all the versions available: Vera, Vanessa, Una, Umma, Ulisa. So here you will have all the versions which you would like. So for me, I would like to go for Cinnamon version under Vanessa 1. So I will click on it. And here it says that the size is 2.4 gigabit. The download method is for all the versions the same. So I will just scroll down and I will find a mirror. I will choose the United States one for 64-bit and it should be downloading. You can choose whatever mirror you would like and Linux will be downloaded under ISO file, which we can use later on to burn in a USB or in a DVD or even an SD card to be able to install it and to use it. I will pause the video here, and once the download is done, I will take back. So after a few minutes, the Linux Mint download is completed, and here I have it as an ISO file. So here you can either use it for an installation, you can burn it into a USB and use it for booting and installing, or you can use it for your virtual machine or for whatsoever you want to use it for. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.